Wisconsin's Department of Health Services will start using a new threshold when determining who will be required to verify their self-reported earned income in Medicaid and BadgerCare Plus. Now, generally, somebody is not going to be asked to prove or verify their self-reported earned income unless a couple conditions exist. The first would be that that information cannot be obtained through a data exchange. The second would be that the data exchange information is not what is called reasonably compatible with what the BadgerCare Plus or Medicaid member is reporting. And that reasonably compatible definition is what is being changed. Currently, reasonable compatible means data from the data exchange results in the same eligibility outcome as the information that was self-reported from the Medicaid member. If this is true, then verification from the member is not needed. The change will start July 1st, 2022. Wisconsin Department of Health Services says they're going to implement a new 20% threshold for determining whether self-reported income is compatible with information provided by a data exchange. This is a short-term policy change. It is instituted to coincide with the eventual end of the national public health emergency and the unwinding of the continuous Medicaid eligibility provisions. This is how it's going to work. During a Medicaid application, you are asked to self-report your income, and the income maintenance worker will then use a data exchange to look up your income. If both of the following are true, then that new 20% threshold rule will apply. So if the total income that includes the earned income reported by the applicant is at or below the income limit, and the total income that includes the earned income reported by the data exchange is above the income limit, then the state's going to look at a 20% threshold. So essentially, they're looking to see that the data exchange didn't necessarily match what the member had reported, but it's pretty close. It's within 20%, in which case they're not going to ask for verification items. If you are not within that 20%, then a verification request will be sent to the member. Now, this rule only applies to income verification. It doesn't impact any kind of asset verification requirements that may exist. You can read more about this threshold change. We link to the operations memo from the state in the description below.